Hi there, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Ott. It's time to start working on our beginning and ending sounds. Let's start by gluing our strip down on our paper. I'm going to put it right in the center. Nice and straight. Okay, next I'm going to put my name at the top in the corner so it's not in the way of my writing. And I'm going to begin making my lines from the black line out on the left side and then again on the right side. Remember, they don't have to be super long, just long enough for one letter. Okay, so we're going to begin writing our beginning and ending sounds of words. We've been doing this for a few days now. I will do a few with you, and then I will have you do the rest on your own. We'll go through and check it when we're done. So the first picture is a bell. Everybody say bell. The first sound of bell is B, and that letter is B. B-L. What's the last letter of bell? L. Next we have log. What's the first letter sound of log? O, and that is L. Og, g. Yeah, G goes around, up, and down. Please make sure you're using lowercase letters. Okay, so now I'm going to have you do cut on your own. Do the first and the last letter. Go ahead and do that now, and then I will do it with you when you're done. The word is cut. Okay, cut is k, k, k. And that letter is C. It could be a K, but it's a C. Cut. Lowercase t. Good job. Next is map. Go ahead and write the beginning and the ending sound of map. Map. Map begins with lowercase m. Remember, it should start here and go down, retrace. Your M shouldn't be starting at the bottom. Map. Yep, and P is a letter that falls. Down, up, and around. Map. Good job. Next we have rain. For R. Rain. And N goes down, up, with a hump. Rain. Okay, go ahead and do the beginning and ending sound of duck. Duck, lowercase d. Duck. And this is kind of a tricky one, but the last sound is a K. It's actually a CK, but a K or a C is fine. If you wrote a C, that's fine, because it is that letter sound. And last we have zipper. Zipper. The first letter of zipper is Z, and the last letter of zipper is R. Great job, boys and girls.